Greetings, students. I'm still working on my LED mask, but for now, this is my robot voice. I know it sounds cool. It's a voice changer. Still working on my mask. Hopefully this makes my voice sound a lot better. There's more things I want to do to my mask, but for now, this is what it sounds like. Hope you enjoy the video.